So, today we will be learning how to solve trigonometric equation, and we will straight away learn how to find general and particular solutions of the trigonometric equation. So let's consider an example. If we have equation 2 sine 2x plus 1 equals 0. We have equation 2 sine 2x plus 1 equals 0. And we need to find all solutions of this equation on the interval from negative pi to pi.
Whoa, that's amazing.
Find all solutions on the interval negative pi to pi. So about the finding solutions in the interval, we will be worrying at the end.
Okay.
First, how are we finding the solution? First, let's rearrange this. Sine 2x equal negative 1/2. I hope everyone fine with that.
Yes.
Rearrangement should have no problem with it. And now, to solve this, we need to think about unit circle. We need to think about unit circle. Unit circle. If we have, so effectively this, if this is a unit circle, y, x, and radius 1. So we have y coordinate equals what? Negative 1/2, because sine is a y coordinate. So y equals negative 1/2. And if we draw the line, y equal negative 1/2.
Sorry, how does that?
Wait, why is sine the
Why
y
does
coordinate?
this happen?
Sine 2x equal negative 1/2.
Okay.
When we have point on the unit circle radius 1, if point has coordinates x, y, what x equal, what y equal?
I don't know. I'm just guessing.
X is a cos, if this angle theta, x coordinate is a cos theta, y coordinate is a sine theta.
Ah, that's what I meant to say.
So
And that's what 10 is going to
we have, 10 is this divided, y divided by x. So y, sine is y coordinate, that's why we have y equal negative 1/2. If it will be cos 2x, then will be x equals. Make sense? Everyone fine with that?
Yeah.
So, how many on one revolution?
Oh,
What's
that
not,
makes sense.
what you don't
I
understand?
don't get anything.
I can relate to that.
First, let's go
You're not alone.
step by step. Do you understand how we get from this line to this
Yes,
line?
yes.
Okay, so not everything, we have something that you understand. Yes. Okay, next step. Do you know that on the unit circle, when we have again, drawing this again, we have unit circle. Why it's called unit circle? Radius is 1. And we have point on the unit circle with the coordinates x and y. What is x
Cos
in
theta.
terms of this angle theta?
Cos
What is x, what is y?
Cos theta and then oh.
X is cos theta
Yes.
and y is sine theta. Why is that? If you look on this right angle triangle, this side is x, this side is y coordinate.
Yeah.
Sine, SOHCAHTOA. Sine
Right.
opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite is y, and what hypotenuse equal?
Opposite.
1, because it's radius 1.
Yes.
So we have sine is y over 1.
That's just
So y equals sine theta.
Okay.
Adjacent, so cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. adjacent x, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is still 1. So x equals cos theta.
Yeah.
So when we first solving sine equal negative 1/2, sine is which coordinate, x or y?
Why?
That's why we're saying that y equals negative 1/2.
Okay.
And we need to find the points where line y equal negative 1/2 intersect with the unit circle.
But I understood everything
Wait, so
until you
we-
said y is negative. Yeah.
Why it's negative 1/2? Because the equation was this.
Yeah.
If you arrange this equation, we get sine to x.
Why did you do that line?
Huh?
Why is it a line?
Yeah.
Why is it not just the points? Why is it a line?
Because this, what is sine? Is y coordinate.
Yeah.
Sine is, stop.
Sine is
Y,
y coordinate.
y coordinate. So, and we looking for points on the unit circle. Points where y equal negative 1/2.
Oh, okay.
How we do that? We draw the line y equal negative 1/2 because sine is y coordinate. And we look in where this line, horizontal line, negative 1/2, where y coordinate of the points on the unit circle equal negative 1/2. Because sine is the y coordinate of the point of the on the unit circle.
Yeah.
So how many times this line cross the unit circle? 2. So we have in one interval, which is from 0 to 2 pi, from 0, 1 revolution is 2 pi, we'll have 2 points of intersection. We have 2 solutions. And you need to know your exact values. You need to know your exact values. And this is, if this is pi, what will be this angle? What will be this angle? So pi plus theta. What we know about sine pi plus theta? From the symmetry properties, what is sine pi plus theta? Negative sine theta.
How do you know that, bro?
Which we did the whole lesson. We should spend the whole lesson
Which lesson?
last time.
Oh, I must have missed it. I was away.
All safe and strict, because it's
Because this triangle is exactly the same congruent to this triangle, this angle theta. What you can say, and to this side exactly equal this side.
Yeah.
But y coordinate is negative.
I'm just gonna write that.
So we have sine pi plus theta equal negative, because y here is negative, but it's same y but negative, and this y is sine theta.
Because you're rotating one this way, and the other one you're rotating the other way. So when you add
Yes.
it on, you rotate. Yeah.
So this is negative sine theta, and this is negative theta, and again sine negative theta equal negative sine theta. Now, so now we established that we need to find for which angle sine of which angle equal 1/2. This is something that you need,
30?
which is pi on 6.
Hey, Gary got that right.
So theta equals pi on 6.
because it's like, you know the table if you
How did we find that out?
That you have to memorize it. Remember, it's easy as 1, 2, 3.
Because look, what is sine 30? Sine 30 is 1/2. Okay? Because pi over 6 is 30 degrees.
Wait, so that is 30 degrees there.
This angle is 30 degrees.
Yeah, okay.
Now,
If you times that by 180 over pi,
So-
that's how you make it into degrees.
so we establish that theta is 30 degrees. Then what is this is pi on 6, 30 degrees of pi on 6. What is this angle?
Huh?
if this angle, okay, I already draw it because I had to draw a lot of extra stuff there. So we have, this is negative 1/2, and we have that this angle is pi on 6. What is this angle?
7 pi over 6. 7 pi.
Well, can't you just divide 210 by 180?
What 10? What 10 has to do?
7 pi over 6. 7 pi over 6.
It is, will be 7 pi on 6. Yes.
Okay, well,
I said that you look into the domain at the end.
Can't you just divide 210 over
Stop, touch.
what's trigonometric?
Do you understand that this angle is 7 pi on 6?
So it's 210 pi over 1.
Then what will be this angle? Negative pi on 6.
7 pi.
So we got two solutions. And it has to be two solutions, except two cases. In which cases we will have only one solution.
Not in the domain.
When we have sine equals 1 or negative 1. Then we'll have only one solution. So we have that 2x equal either 7 pi on 6 or 2x equal negative pi on 6.
What do we get? I get the first one.
7 pi on 6?
Yes.
Then this one, it will be negative pi on 6. If this is pi on 6,
Yeah.
this is negative pi on 6.
Okay.
So, but now important thing. Now, when we establish the two angles from 0 to 2 pi, for which we have sine equal negative 1/2, we write plus 2 pi n, plus 2 pi n. Why I'm writing plus 2 pi n?
You can just keep on going around.
Because sine and cos are periodical functions. They repeat every 2 pi. When you rotate 360 degrees or 2 pi, you get to the same point. You rotate again, you get to the same point. So you get infinitely many solutions. Yes?
But you can't because it's within negative pi.
Now we will come to that. We first find it, but have you found x? What we have found? 2x, not x. We found 2x. So we need divide by 2, so we get x equals 7 pi on 12 plus pi n, or x equals negative pi on 12 plus pi n. This is how I formulate.
And you still get
So make sense? So we got and
How did you get?
yes.
How did you get 2x equals to 7 pi and 6 plus 2 pi n?
Because we found that sine 2x equal negative 1/2 for angle 7 pi on 6.
But how did like? Okay.
When angle is 7 pi on 6, sine 7 pi on 6 is negative 1/2.
But how do you know that?
You have to just.
You need no. So do you know exact values? Pi on 6, pi on 4, pi on 3, exact values. Ish. If it will be not ish, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. Because it is 1/2 root 2 on 2, root 3 on 2. As easy as 1, 2, 3. This is for sine, it will be for pi on 6, pi on 4, pi on 3. For cos, it's other way around. It's easy as 1, 2, 3.
Yes,
It's a shame not memorize it, it's just 1, 2, 3.
7, 8, 9.
So,
7, 8, 9.
guys,
What about how 6, 7 replaces 6, 9, 7, 8, 9?
stop. So what we have found is a general solution of the equation. Some question might ask you find general solution. This is general solution. This is general solution. It is infinitely many solutions because it will be, we take n equals 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 and get infinitely many. But now we need to look which of those infinitely many solutions fit into the given interval. Let's take n equals 0. N equals 0. We have 7 pi on 12. Is 7 pi on 12 in the interval?
Yes.
Yes, good. If we have this, we have minus pi on 12. In the interval?
Yeah.
Yes. We take now n equals 1. 7 pi on 12 plus pi, we get 19 pi on 12. Is it in the interval? No. But if you have minus pi on 12 plus pi, we get 11 pi on 12, which is in the interval.
Rotations, yeah. Because then if you touch 2 pi.
Now, if you take n equals negative 1, if you take n negative 1, 7 pi on 12 minus pi
So it's like
is negative 5 pi on 12. If we take minus pi on 12 minus pi, we're outside the domain. So, we found there are 4 solutions to this equation, which are in the given interval. So please, first, when we will be solving equation, please always find the general solution, and then see which of those solutions, using n equals 0, n equals plus minus 1. Sometimes you might need to go n equals plus minus 2, depends on the interval, to find all particular solutions. So that's how we solve the trigonometrical equations.
wow. Is this exercise
Make sense? Any questions, please ask.
I think it does make sense.
Okay?
So whenever we solve these trigonometric, what are they called?
Trigonometrical
If we
equations.
solve a trigonometrical equation, we always have to add 2 pi n at the end because it's the points are periodic.
Because every 2 pi or 360 degrees,
Yeah.
we come to the same point. They both repeat itself.
Yes, that makes sense.
Do you want one more example before you will try?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's solve the next
What if you
equation.
times 2 pi?
What? That's
I'm just asking. Wait.
So let's solve the equation.
plus minus, or minus minus.
2 cos
Wait,
2 cos 3x minus root 3 equals 0. 2 cos 3x minus root 3 equals 0.
I think I know.
Oh, are we solving?
On the interval minus pi to pi. Let's do it
I'm
together.
actually locked
Oh,
in.
wait.
So, what cos,
Root 3 over 2 is
Michaela, what cos 3x equal from here?
cos 30.
From here.
It's pi over 6.
From here, look here. What cos 3x equal?
Oh my god.
It's square root.
Root 3 over 2.
So x equals, oh, not x.
So if we think about unit circle, we have unit circle, and we have now which line we need to draw, vertical or horizontal?
Why? Because it's
cos.
So we have x equal root 3 on 2. Now, what will be this angle? If this is root 3 on
30
2,
degrees.
hmm?
30.
It
Or
will
pi
be
on
pi on 6. It is pi on 6 or 30 degrees. So we have cos 3x equal, this is point, so we have 3x equal pi on 6, or what will be this angle? What will be this angle? Negative. Because it's opposite. So or we have 3x equal pi on 6, or negative pi on 6. What else we need to do? Plus 2 pi n. Plus 2 pi n. Plus 2 pi n. But have you solved it for x? No. We need to divide by 3.
Yes, sir.
So you get x equal pi on 18 plus 2 pi n on 3, or x equal negative pi on 18 plus 2 pi n on 3. Now we need to see which of them will fit in the given interval. So n equals 0, we get pi on 18, negative pi, sorry, not 16, it's 18, negative pi on 18, n equals 1. N equals 1, pi on 18 plus 2 pi on 3 still will be in the interval. 2 pi on 3 is 12 pi on 18, so 13 pi on 18.
Like the easiest 1, 2, 3 would be
13 pi on 18. This one, what will be this one? Minus pi on 18 will be 11 pi on 18. Still in the interval, but next one, if we plus another 12, we will get out of the interval. So we stop here.
What about negative one?
If you take positive, if you take n equals 2, and we add, we get above pi. Now take n equals negative 1. N equals negative 1, pi 18 minus 2 pi on 3, negative 11 pi on 18. This will be negative 13 pi on 18.
Bro, I need to
So we got 6 solutions. So we got 6 solutions of this equation. Because if we take n equals negative 2, we again will get outside of the interval. Okay, now you need to do some practice with them, and of course we will start with the easier questions. This is not the hardest it can be, but toward the harder end.
So do we get like would that be like
Don't give us too much
I'll explain you. Okay, like, subscribe, and donate to help fight terrorist countries or organizations like Russia, Iran, Hamas, etc. Support Ukraine and Israel.